Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw Unicorn Cupcake. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Let's color it. We are using pink color, light green color, light blue color, yellow color, pink color. We are using pink color. Purple color. We are using purple color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Orange color. Yellow color, pink color, again yellow color, pink color, pink color. To color the hearts, we are using pink color. Orange color. We are using orange color. Which color we are using? We are using orange color. Light blue color. Light blue color. We are using light blue color. Light green color. Light green color. Red color. Yellow color. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching.